Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a ranking question on Google Forms. I'll start with a new form. Okay, come here, click on blank form, and you can start by titling this form. Alright, so I've titled this form, setting a new agenda. Now if you're wondering what kind of use cases we can have is, political polls, market research, employee feedback, customer satisfaction surveys, and also classroom surveys. Now, come here, click on question, and I want you to change this to multiple choice grid, okay? And you'll see rows and columns being added. I'll show you what we need to do with each, so I'll go ahead and add some rows and some columns, okay? Now let me explain what each row would have. Each row would basically have an option you want respondents to rank, and each column is a ranking option. For example, so as you can see here, we have each row with issues, for example, improving transparency or curbing spending, and the corresponding column should just be the numbers that the respondents will use to rank these rows. And once you've filled out all of the options, you need to set up the form to function as a ranking question. So at the bottom right, I want you to click on the toggle button, okay, next to require response in each row. So toggle this one on, basically so that the respondents rank each option, and also ensure that the user are not skipping options and that every selection will be counted as a ranking, right? And all you need to do now is click on more options and also toggle this one on, okay? Limit to one response per column, okay? Because we want to make sure that the respondents can pair each ranking with only one answer. Otherwise, what will happen, they might accidentally give the same ranking to multiple options, and it will completely, legitimize the data. So once we've done this, we can go to publish, come to the top right, click on publish, then click on publish again. And then let's go ahead and preview this. So this is what you do. You come here, click on copy, responder link, click on copy, and you can share this with people. So let's preview this and test it out. So we are going to rank the issues from the most to least important. Okay. So we can go and rank it as such. So here, if I do this, I rank it at 2. Okay, for both of them, it would tell me, please don't select more than one response per column. Okay, and there we go. Now we are able to do this perfectly and we can submit, right? Really that easy and simple.